Hi, I'm Paul Schumacher, founder of Schumacher Homes. Since 1992, we've had a different approach to custom home building on your lot. We're the ones who build our model homes and design studios right on the highway, so you can come and see them 6 days a week and experience the design and quality construction that goes into every one of our homes firsthand. This is a one-stop shop experience with our design studio right here, so you can see all the latest trends, styles, materials, and options you can select when customizing your home. Come take a look for yourself. We are in Scott, located off of I-10. We build in central Louisiana and parishes surrounding the greater Lafayette area and in East Texas. You can tour our model homes and state-of-the-art design studio that has all the latest for a one-stop shopping experience for your custom home. Our award-winning Olivia model home is a 2786 square foot French country-inspired home with a first-floor owner's retreat. The chef-worthy kitchen features an oversized kitchen island that helps create the ultimate entertaining space. Your family, your style, and your budget are all part of the design process. We provide the most comprehensive, detailed quoting system in the industry, spelling out exactly where every dollar is allocated. No hidden costs or unwelcome surprises. Homeowners often tell us that sitting down for a price quote was the best time spent during their home building journey. We'll answer questions that you never even thought to ask. Don't just take my word for it. Stop in and see for yourself today.